Here's Catalina enjoying her Christmas Eve present. Her mama and dada. She's loving it. She'll see more presents soon. Christopher, show us your Christmas Eve present.
What's that?
This one's from Mama and Dad. This one's from Grandma and Grandpa in Austin.
What's this? Whoops.
We'll just remote control it out of there, silly.
That's not Christmas. Hey!
There's the other coaster. Come on, Christopher. Come on. I'm recording. Show us the car.
What's this, Dada?
Make it spin. Oh, that's cool. Coolness. We love you, babe. Wish you were here. Merry Christmas Eve.